Did you guys know that here in London, you can have a 6-course meal in the most unexpected place, the London Tube? Let's go check it out. Located in Walthamstow, northeast London, the supperclub.tube offers a unique dining experience with a weekly 6-course menu every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The evening starts at 7 p.m. and finishes around 10 p.m., giving you plenty of time to savor the food, soak up the unique setting, and enjoy great company.
We're sat down now on the tube, really cool, in the old tube seats, but we got armrests as well. Maybe they used to have armrests, I don't know. We started off with some drinks. They also gave us some bread to start, which I don't think is one of the 6 courses. This is like an additional one. Pretty cool being on the tube. We're like in this middle bit, so it's like kind of a joint table with a bunch of other people. But there's also like other kind of private tables, so I guess if you pay a bit more, you can go for those.
The tube dinner takes place inside an original tube carriage that first entered service in 1968, serving the Victoria line for many years. Today, it has been transformed into a unique dining space, while still preserving its authenticity and charm. Our first course has arrived. Colombian-style empanadas filled with potatoes and beef brisket, served with coriander and chili ají. Let's give it a taste. So good. The masa has a lot of flavor. The meat is very tender. And then the sauce, it almost reminds me of pico de gallo, but it's not pico de gallo. It's really good. It has a little bit of a kick, but it's not spicy at all. This is a really good empanada.
Okay, so the second course is here. Causa, yellow potato mash, asparagus, pickled beetroot, something I can't say, huacatai cream, pancha chili dressing. Let's try this. Yeah, like the asparagus is a little bit crunchy, the mash is soft. That's really nice. Okay, so we were just saying that it is actually like really hot and sticky in here, but it's because it's a really hot day. So in London it was like 33 degrees today, which is like the hottest day that you'll ever have in London. There's no air conditioning in this tube, just like the actual tube. But we were saying it's actually quite an authentic tube experience because this is an old Victoria Line train. And if you know London, the Victoria Line is horrible. It's so hot, it's so sticky, it's horrendous. And it's not as bad as that here, but it is a bit hot and sticky, so it kind of does feel like the authentic tube experience. All that's missing is the screeching from the tracks where you can't hear anything and it feels like your ears are about to burst because it's so loud. And all the people like crowded, standing up, like packed like sardines. If they get those 2 things here, this will be the most authentic thing ever.
Course number 3 is tostada de trucha y camarón, aka trout and shrimp tostada. It comes with obviously a blue corn tostada, chalk stream trout, king prawns, and a tamarillo salsa. It almost tastes like kind of like ceviche. It tastes so fresh, and in this heat, it kind of just hits the spot. It's really good. Our 4th course has arrived, and we have some carnitas here. Carnitas is pork shoulder.
The meat is nice and soft and like tender. It's really nice. It's kind of unlike anything I've had before. I don't really think of this when I think of like, I guess, Latin food, but it's really nice. Okay, so course number 5 has just arrived, which is the first dessert course. So we're gonna have 2 desserts. This is the first one, and it's called Mariposas Amarillas, which means yellow butterflies. We have a passion fruit ice dome, whatever that is, dark chocolate soil, and sugar butterfly. Let's try it. Okay, so I guess it's passion fruit in the middle and chocolate on the outside. It's really nice. It's like, it's super fruity. Like you can barely taste the chocolate. It's just like overwhelmingly tasting of the passion fruit cream that's on the inside. But it's so nice. It's like quite strong and just with a chocolate shell, like it's a really nice combo. Hey to you. a wish.
I'll have some.
Yay!
Here we have some sponge, some ice cream, and some caramelized bananas. This looks really good. Let's give it a try. Let's start with the sponge and some ice cream.
I'll do it.
Whoa, that's really good. That's really good. Okay, let's have a little bit of the bananas. You're gonna like this. I need to recreate this at home. That's really good. We have just finished our last course and it was one of the nicest desserts I've ever had. This is definitely worth it and I'm so glad we got to do this.
Yeah, I think like all of the food was really nice. Like I've never had a 6-course meal before. I didn't know if I'd be able to eat 6 courses, but they're kind of smaller portions because we have 6 of them, but they were all so nice. We had like such a nice variety of food, so it's been fun. It's been fun being on the tube as well.
If you come to London, you want to try something new, something quirky, something different, come here and have a 6-course meal. It's going to be such a great experience and the servers here are so nice and it's just such a nice vibe. Very different, yet very fun. We'll leave the link down below in case you're interested. For now, we're going to end it here and we will see you guys in next week's vlog. Bye!
Peace.